Hello guys, welcome to another Leetcode question. Today we'll be solving this question top k frequent elements. So basically we're given an array of integers and we have to find the k most frequent elements, right? Hmm. So the frequency here would mean number of occurrences. So firstly I'm thinking we need to get the frequency of each. They're not sorted. So let's say you have a frequency 132231. Now what we can do is we can sort them by their frequency. So if you are in C++, you can create a pair. For Java, you can create an array, number comma its frequency, and then you can have a custom comparator that would compare by the frequency and then sort it. Right. Say you have now you'll have all the elements sorted according to their frequency. Now what you need is the k most frequent. So from the top of that array, you take those many. You take k elements 1, 2, 3, like that. Let's say you have this. You have an array. You have an array. You take 1, 2, 3. How many ever you need the k. But I'm thinking if I only need k, why make an array of all the elements? Hmm. If k is in this range, k at max can be this. But my array would always be of size this. So that is sort of a waste of array space. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's take the frequency and then let's make a heap. Let's take a, you may answer any order. Yeah, let's take a min heap. So elements with lesser frequency would be at the top. Whenever the size exceeds 2, let's pop, remove from the heap. So 3 would get removed. Now whatever is in the heap, you put that in a answer array. Okay, let's declare the answer first, get that out of the way. Now heap is priority queue, default is min heap, but we'll need a custom comparator. Okay, that I'll think about. Heap. One sec. Min heap is what I'll need, but I can think about it later. For now, let's. We need a map. Yeah, sure. Or num start length stem of yeah. We'll need a map. So this is, let's just call it frequency f equals to new hash map. This belongs to my nums f dot put I comma f dot or default get I or default would be 0. This plus 1, we'll put it in the map. Right now, heap. Heap is priority queue. So okay, this would actually be integer array. Call it pq equals to new I'll think about the comparator. Basically what we'll need to do is for not entry. So entry would be integer only. E belongs to f dot get entry set. Forgot this, was it get entry set or entry set? Let's try this for now. I'll do pq dot push. Come on. New int e dot key comma e dot value. If pq dot size is greater than k, we'll do pq dot poll. I guess poll is the name of that method. And then finally we'll have elements in this. So while pq dot is empty, this will be it's not empty. Is empty is always better than size, because size, the complexity to find size is more than is empty. Is empty just returns you false whenever it finds a single element. Yeah, so what we'll do is answer of I plus plus is equals to pq dot poll. Okay, actually 0, and then we return answer. There's a few problems. I don't know. Yeah, comparator is left. Entry set, I don't know if this is the correct way. Int and integer might give me an issue. So let's check all of this. So this is done in the way that a comma b. This is actually a lambda function for a b, and I need a minimum. For minimum, it would be a minus b. It would be a 1 minus b1. Let's check. Dot. Okay, this is actually get key, and this is get value. This is push. Okay, and variable. Yeah, so we do map dot entry belongs to s. S is what? M dot entry set. So this was correct. Map dot entry, the type e belongs to f dot entry set. That looks correct. Okay, what is the issue? Cannot find e. Dot get value, dot get key, and this is fine. Map dot entry string comma s is actually m dot entry set. I don't understand what is wrong here. It dot get key dot get value. Cannot find symbol push. Okay, that is fine. Get key typo. and push is not pole, peak, push is not there. I think push is there. It's not accepting primitive integer array. Mm, variable pq of type this method push int array. It should not be a problem. Priority queue push. It's been some time that I used a priority queue. Add. It's called add. Now this type should be fine. Perfect. Yeah, so basically we're counting the frequencies, putting them in a map, iterating over the map, taking out the key and the value, putting it in a priority queue. Priority queue is a min heap of integer array. I have built a custom comparator to check for, so this is a custom comparator. This would be like first one element, second element. So one element's first value, which is the frequency, as I'm putting it here, is to be compared with another's frequency. When you do a minus b, that is like a min heap increasing order thing. When you do b minus a, that is a max heap decreasing kind of thing. So that's all. When the size exceeds k, I'll pull. So the elements with lesser frequency, they get removed, and after that I just take them all out, put it in the answer array. That's all. Yeah, this comparator, I really like doing this. It's a lambda function. It can get more complicated. Just tell you more about it. Perfect. This got submitted. So imagine this is more complicated. It's not a single statement. So in that case, what you do is you open it up like this. Now you can do anything. Say you have here, you have condition 1, and then you have condition 2. Right, you can do as many checks as you want. You can play around. You can, if there are objects, you can create new objects, build new object. But what you need to remember is finally you need to return 1, -1, or 0. So based on the comparison that you have done um, of the objects, so you can do if a is less than b, return 1, if a is less than b, return -1, or if a and b are equal, return 0. So all of that, but like your eventual output of this should be positive, negative, or 0. That's how the comparator would know which is bigger than which value is bigger than the other value. Correct. So negative, positive, or 0 is what you need to return based on the comparison. And if the logic is not that complicated, it's a one line this thing, then you can just simply do this. All right, cool. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.